Hey there. I'm Eric with Silver Support, the tech platform made specifically for seniors. I want to share with you a few ways in which AI technology can make your life significantly easier. Smartphones and tablets, equipped with AI, can provide quick access to information, communication, and even remind you about medication schedules. They're like a personal assistant right in your pocket. AI also plays a vital role in healthcare. It can help monitor your health by tracking vital signs, reminding you to take medications, and even connecting you with healthcare professionals through telemedicine. AI can recommend movies, music, and books based on your preferences. It's like having a personal entertainment curator, ensuring you're always enjoying what you love. Now, I have one call to action for you. Send us an email right now with an idea of technology that you want to see us create specifically for you. The address is contact@silversupport.com. Again, contact@silversupport.com. I'm expecting to hear from you.